guys, in today's video I'm gonna explore you to Pagoda, which is in India, Mumbai, and it's located in Gorai, specifically in Borivali. It's a very nice place. Basically it's a kind of a temple of Lord Buddha, and it says everything about Lord Buddha and its ancient history related to that. And I hope this video will amaze you because it'll be obviously interesting. So let's explore Pagoda. And hence now we are on the way to our destination. So now we are on the way. There's some entrance over there, so we'll be entering, and then from Kandivali to Borai Pagoda, it costs 61 rupees in total. Right now we're in the ticket counter to take the ticket. Basically the procedure is that we have to go through the boat. There's a ferry, and then that will take us to Pagoda. So it was a very short distance, somewhat 15 to 20 minute distance from our house. So from Kandivali we traveled by rickshaw to Borivali in Gorai, and it costed 61 rupees in total. And then from the ticket counter we'll be traveling through the boat. And there are two tickets available for the Water Kingdom as well as for the boat. But we are going to the boat, so yes. Ticket, the single person, the price for a person is just 100 rupees, and that's written, not one way. So that's the area for going, that's the boat, and so we'll be reaching Pagoda. Basically there's a very big line through which we have to go, and then they'll take the tickets. Lines. This line is for the Water Kingdom, and this one is for the boat to go to the Pagoda. Due to the high water level, some water has come up to the steep too. But it's really fun seeing. This boat is basically for going into the village of Gorai. So people are taking their scooters inside, and the people who came from the village also came with their own scooters and bikes, and then they came through this boat. And I guess that boat is for us to go to Pagoda. So we are literally supposed to go right there. Okay, it's really windy, it's really nice. We are surrounded by water by both the sides, over here and over here. Due to bright sunshine, it's shining so much. It looks so pretty. Both way is this one, see, there's a boat over here and over there. And then we are supposed to go through that way. And this boat has already taken off. It's on its way to Pagoda. Okay, so this is a boat which has come from the village itself, and we are supposed to climb in this. See, it's right over there. Over there. Can you see that dome? He's enjoying the scene. So cute. Oh, it's making sounds. Okay, so we're finally climbing inside the boat. So this is the boat from inside, and we're just sitting, and it's moving. Patrol is over there, I'm sitting over here, but it's actually so full. behind that is the Water Kingdom. And it's open, but the fun fair is just closed. We are almost nearby. Finally we've reached and everybody are getting down. There's greenery all over the water shores. So this was our boat and reached. Now by walk we have to go inside. And that's the entrance for the Water Kingdom over there. And as we are not going over there, we'll be going through this way. Okay, so the last ferry is in the evening 6 p.m. So that's the last entry for the boats. But it's really hot over here. You'll also get the food items over here, whatever you need. From the food court we ordered vada pav and one mango juice and Mountain Dew. So we are on our way. There's a big slope through which we're supposed to come and we're just entering. Rainbow is seen really clearly right on the top. We have arrived to Pagoda. It's really nice. Like the carvings are so nice and there's a big lion over there. So finally we've reached. These are the staircases and reached. There's so many things written on this hand in English. It's like, may all beings be happy. Now we are entering inside the main temple and we have to climb these many steps. You know, the worst thing is that it's really sunny. Damn sunny. See the sun. It's so hot. They have done such nice carvings on the top and they've painted it bright golden. It looks like it's made up of gold. It's so hot. We are sitting for a while. They have given seats near the pillar and here we are. So now we are entering inside the temple. They have even carved the doors right over there. And oh my god. Okay, there's the temple from inside. Basically they are doing meditation over there. The bhakts we call. The architecture from inside is so good. Like there's a big dome and then a chakra over there. This was the exit gate for the main pagoda. Like it's basically nothing but a meditation center. Basically this was how it was made, like by staking, and then it turned out to be a dome like this. And they haven't provided the entry right now, like it's closed. I don't know why. And then I guess because of the wind it's moving in that circular motion. It's just right opposite to this pagoda. right there. You know, just right on the top, just right over there. Small bell, and when it winds, it makes sounds. Like, see these ones? There are the bells over there. We are finally exiting the side. So like we have explored the whole temple, the statues, and the one which we went now was the second floor, and then this is the first floor. So these all things are there in the first floor: photo gallery, painting gallery, etc. Right over there. So this is the first floor. This is a meditation hall inside. And just right opposite to this is the library. Video hall, it seems. Right now we are in the food court for having our lunch, and then they didn't allow us to shoot the video inside the video hall. I don't know why. Like, it was just the history of Lord Buddha, like how was the history then from other countries, how did it come in India, and just all. So from the restaurant we ordered some fried rice, Manchurian, chole bhature and buttermilk. So finally we have exited the pagoda, and we had a very nice experience seeing all the things, and we learned so much about Lord Buddha, as well as we had so many pictures clicked, that too very nice pictures. And yes, now the same routine, nothing but just go walk towards the road, go to the boat, then reach the main gate. So lastly to this temple, and that's it for today. Bye guys, and please subscribe to my video, give a like, and that's it. Bye.